Welcome to the month of June, and this is module number 8. We only have 3 modules, 3 weeks left to do some schoolwork, and we're going to be moving into a new topic, okay? So we finished off all of our work on space and space exploration, and I hope you had a good time and enjoyed learning about some of the things at the International Space Station, what it was like to be an astronaut and all of that good stuff. So in the biology unit in grade 9, we get to talk about interactions between different communities in an ecosystem, okay? So an ecosystem is basically an interaction between the living things in an ecosystem and the non-living things and how they help each other and work together to create an environment that we can live in, that animals can live in, and plants can live in. And I want you to think a little bit about an ecosystem, what it's like, and the importance of the things that are in there, okay? So for this module, there's a reading you're going to do from the textbook. So you can just simply read through it, and you're going to answer one short answer question where I'd like you to describe an ecosystem that's near where you live. Okay, so think about, is there a park near you? Is there a forest near you? Is there a stream or some type of ecosystem that's kind of close to where you live and you could be able to describe it? So I'm going to ask you for things like what lives there? Do you know some of the animals or plants or insects? Or perhaps the fish, right? What kinds of things live in that ecosystem? That's the first part of this week's module. For the second part of this week, I'd like you to watch one of these nature videos. So you can choose, okay? Do you want to read a little bit more, learn a little bit more, and watch a bit more on ecosystems that are in the water, right? Most of our planet Earth is made up of water, and our ecosystems can be very diverse, very much filled with life and living things underground, okay, and in the water, at the bottom of the ocean, for example. And there's an ecosystem that's very, very diverse, and it is the coral reef ecosystem. So if you're interested in learning about coral reefs and the impact that humans have, both positive and negative, I'd invite you to watch the video on coral reefs. And then in the lesson, you're going to be answering the question to do with this one. And if you would rather learn about honeybees, I guess it's this way, okay? Watch this video right here. You're going to learn about pollinators and the importance that honeybees have in our ecosystems. So again, what's the impact that humans have had, both positive and negative, on the population, so the numbers of honeybees that we have, and some of the things that are going on. Now, each video is about 45 minutes long, okay? You can skim through a little bit, and again, you're answering either the question on the ecosystem or you're answering the question on the honeybees. So you choose one of those two, and if you're really into biology and you're enjoying learning about our ecosystems and different kinds of ecosystems in the world, then by all means go ahead and watch both of them, okay? I hope everybody's doing well. And after this week, we're going to do 2 more lessons on biology. We're going to focus on food chains and food webs, and then we're going to look at some of the interactions as well, and humans, what the impact that humans have on sustainability of ecosystems. Okay, so we're almost there, grade 9s. We've only got a few modules left. Take care, and I'll talk to you next week.